Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So yesterday we started the new series called Price Watch, and what we aim to do is have a look at how the price is moving on certain coins, and we will be doing banknotes, and just sort of see how they're moving over a period of time. And the best way to do that is to look at eBay sold figures, and we're looking at April, and we'll get through to the modern day, which is late July. The year is moving very quickly, and so today we're going to look at the 5-cent changeover coin from 2016. Yesterday we had a look at the 2016 $1 changeover coin, and these are two very low mintage coins. Mintage on this particular coin is around the 4.6 million, somewhere in that, I think. So it's the lowest minted 5-cent coin currently. The 1972 is still probably the prized coin, even though it has a higher mintage. But because people have been able to get these directly from the mint, they didn't have to go searching for them and those kind of things. These things are probably a little bit easier to get a hold of at the time, and certainly we grabbed them before we knew that they were going to be such a low mintage coin. And this is the only coin that has an obverse, unlike all the others where it just has the head. This has got the penny, the kangaroo penny on there as well, so to celebrate the 50 years of decimal currency that occurred in 2016. So in the previous video we went through and had a look back, and that's where we're going to start today. So I really feel we're going to find the most information when we're looking at the coin rolls and the coin bags. Because it's a 5-cent piece, these coins are not going to go up greatly in price as of now. They will start to climb, but we're not going to see that kind of climb, I don't feel, in this as we go through. But we'll see what we do find. Okay, so here is our first bag. So this is 40 coins in a bag, so $2 worth of 5-cent coins, and these are the changeover coins. And this sold for $16.50, so I would still consider that to be a good price at that time. So let's move on and see what else we can find. We'll see that the individual singular coins are selling for around that $1.20 mark, plus postage. So look, when you include postage such as $2 in that case, $1 in this case, we're up over $2 for a coin. So here's a roll. This is a mint roll. Plenty of postage on it, and $32.35. Here's another bag. Yep. So $25.95, another one $24.50, free postage. There's one with a couple of cuds on it. Here's a roll for $33.45 plus postage. How many bags we got here? Just it's a 10-cent and a 5-cent, so we probably can't really gauge that properly. So here we got some Cotton & Co rolls. So coins that have been removed from a bag and then rolled, and they sold for $40 a bag. This is back in May, $1.40, so a slight little price rise there on that particular coin. $2.80, so that was free postage, so that's still around the same sort of range. What else are we seeing? Okay, here's another bag, so $40 plus postage. So we see that even in a month, things are starting to move there. Here we've got, what we got here? So we've got a bag of each from 2016, but still, majority of that price there would be made up from the changeover coin. Two mint rolls, okay, for $65 plus 12. So we're up around the $75 range there for two rolls. which is probably about right. $1.54 plus $1.60 postage, so around that sort of $3. Here's $4 for a coin. $30 there for a Cotton & Co roll. So yeah, we are starting to see some individual coin prices starting to rise. These ones are X rolls, so people are willing to pay a premium for those coins that have come from a roll. And you can see there that these have gone to auction. They've offered free postage, so it's always good to see free postage being offered where possible. Let's keep going up. That's a set individual coin. It's a 10-cent roll. 10 cent, 10 cent. Yeah, a few 10-cent rolls have got in this search. Another 10 cent. There's $2 for that one with $1.45 postage, $1.25 with $2.80 postage. Oh, so that's a set, sorry. $3 there. So they are selling fairly consistently. It's a proof coin there. And that's just one coin there for $2.50 plus $2.25 postage. So, you could say that the individual coins are stable to starting to move. And here's another bag which sold in June for $23.37 plus $3.50 postage, and that was an auction. So let's keep moving up. $35 for a bag there. So these are all sold figures. So these are the prices that have been realised. $3.20 including postage. We don't know what this one sold for. That was also in June. There's a bag for basically $39. So just remember, there's only $2 worth of coins in these bags. So, and a lot of people would have got these for $2 a bag. I know I certainly did, and so they're certainly climbing up in price as we're going through the months. We're into July now, so we're getting almost up to date. And certainly you would say that these rolls are really starting to move in price, essentially very, very quickly all of a sudden. They're really starting to rocket up in the same way that the $1 coin is. That's why I wanted to do this video so close to the other one, was because they're such both low mintage coins. People look at one and then they look at the other, so that's why the prices are starting to move. Like this one here, you would have thought this one here at 45 was a great price, and then a day later to get another $10 for a roll. That's unbelievable. A couple of bags here went fairly cheap, $25. So the bags certainly aren't moving as well as the rolls. And there's another roll there for around that $40 mark. So that's as of today. So okay, so let's now have a look and see what's actually on offer. And what I've done the search here is from the highest price, okay, and then we'll move down. So we'll see how many are at the higher price, and we'll get back into this sort of this $32 range and see if there's any of these being offered around that sort of price. Alright, so the first one we've got here is a roll being offered at $100 plus postage, and a bag as well for $100 plus postage. These haven't sold, but they're allowed to ask what they want to ask, and they're not going to sell while these ones here are on offer. So $60 for a bag there, and $60 plus postage for a roll. So another $60. There's either the same seller or different sellers slightly undercutting each other. So we're all still around that 55 plus postage sort of price for those four rolls. We'll use the same photo, so who knows what's going on there. I could go in, but I won't. Here's another bag, so asking $50. $35.94 plus postage, 32 plus $9 postage. So do we get any cheaper than that on a bag? No. So the cheapest bag on offer right now is, where is it? $32 plus $9 postage is the cheapest bag you'll find. And then the cheapest roll is this guy here at 55. So these have really moved in the last few months, and they're going to continue to move. And it'll be interesting to check and see how these guys go in the next few months. But alright guys, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so. Hit the bell. Every single time my video goes up, you'll be notified and you'll be the first to watch it. But please leave a comment or like the video, and I will continue to put more of these style videos out there. Alright guys, that's enough from me. Thanks for watching, and we'll have more videos for you soon.